Hi, I'm Adam Stevenson. I'm the lead mentor at FireBootCamp. FireBootCamp is an intense 9-week .NET development training course. What we do is we take a group of developers and we give them a whole bunch of training about how we build enterprise software at SSW. We cover things like dependency injection, unit testing, enterprise architecture, and we make sure that the guys are really across maintainable enterprise scalable software. In our first FireBootCamp, we worked on a couple of real-world projects. One of them was a project called SugarLearning. Now, the idea behind SugarLearning was that when someone joins your organisation, there's an induction process that they need to go through. There's a lot of different things they need to know. You want to assign them things to learn and tasks to perform. What's great is that we're actually using SugarLearning as part of FireBootCamp to actually guide the students through the 9 weeks of FireBootCamp. What I'd like to do is introduce you to Duncan, and he's going to show you how we're using SugarLearning at FireBootCamp.
So the way we use SugarLearning in class is to be able to stay up to date what Adam expects us to get done for our homework, and to be able to check off that we've done it and send him either a request that says, hey, can you check this out, we've done, and here's the proof, or it actually automatically will just say, hey, we've finished our homework and that item's done and there's nothing to check. So here's an example of my SugarLearning screen, and we have an item here from week 6, which is to do enterprise data access and web API recording. So this one's been assigned and it's worth so many points and so much time. And if we load that up, we have a set of instructions and some links for how to complete this homework. And then we can come in and mark this as request approval, and we can add in a link to the video or to whatever the evidence is of finishing the homework, and we can just leave it and wait for Adam to approve it.
Hi, so I've left the guys to keep on working. I thought what I'd do is I'd just show you SugarLearning from my point of view, how I do the administration. What I've got here is I've got a list of all of the students. I can very easily see that Duncan's got the most homework done. He's done 84%, and so has Cameron. Paul's got 81%, and I'm currently chasing a couple of the guys because, as you can see, they haven't done very well getting their homework done. I can also navigate in and I can see all of the different items that I've assigned for homework. As you can see, I've chosen to group the homework items based on weeks, and I can see here for each of the items in week 1 the percentage of students that have got those particular items completed. As I scroll down, I can see the items that haven't been completed by everybody. I can drill into those items and I can see which students haven't completed those items. For some homework though, I'll actually require approval. And when I say that an item requires approval, I can either tell the students that they've got to upload a file, or that they can just add a comment. So I most often will just use users must add a comment, and I'll often instruct them that their homework should be a link to a page on a website or a published website or a GitHub repository. So now I hit save, and that homework is assigned to all of the students. If you want to learn more about what these guys are working on, check out FireBootCamp.com. I'm Adam Stevenson, see you next time.